Oh my God, that sunset is beautiful. Oh my God, what is that car doing? It's the first time in so long that there's actually been light. The sunset's so early now that like it's so hard to film this type of stuff because GoPros are famously terrible in low light. And in winter, low light is all you get. So it hasn't been the best combo. By the way, if any of you guys want the gear I'm using, all those can be found in my bio. So just check that out. Woo! Oh yeah, baby. Oh, come on, bro. Really? Like, these red lights always got to come in like the worst possible moment, I swear. It's whatever. I can just go on the side, you know. Ooh, a little jump, okay. I am currently looking for e-bike sponsorship. So, you know, things like, right, mid-drive e-bikes of all sorts. Not even mid-drive, like it could be any e-bike, right? I'm just looking to like, you know, get a sponsorship for one of those bikes, review it, try it out, wheelie it, stuff like that, right? Oh my God. Hey, my buddy's here. That was fast.
Bro, the sunset's so good today.
I know, bro.
Holy shit.
Oh my God. All right, we're going down. Gonna watch the sunset. Gonna try a couple wheelies. Please do not run me over. Thank you. Woo! Freedom! These fuck-ass gloves keep on falling. Oh my God, my brakes feel dialed, bro. It's like too powerful. Oh! Oh my God. The chest mount probably looks so bad. If you see this video, if you even see it, then that means that it was good enough for me to post, okay? So it shouldn't be that bad. If it's like complete god-awful, then you wouldn't even be seeing this. Oh my God, he's surfing! Yo! Wait, hold on, I got the race mode. Race mode. Oh! Oh my God. Oh! Oh, I bought a shift lock, by the way. Let's go, baby. Boom. It's on. That part of my frame on the other side. What the hell is that? By the way, just appreciate this view, dude. That is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Oh my God. Bikes washed down there. Oh my God, it's ran into a spider web. Look at these birds. Oh, siren warning? Damn upstream. Pretty scary, dude. Rickety ass stairs. Oh my God, wait, this is so cool. Look at this place. This is sick. Dude, they left a shovel in here, man. I gotta carve some out.
Dude, this is the spot of all time. This is called the point.
We're back, and today the weather is looking a little bit better. It's looking a bit better. It's freezing. That's why I'm wearing these winter gloves, but it's looking a lot better than last time. So that was a good thing. I'm getting pegs soon, by the way. The cranks on the Ridstar, you need like a special tool to remove them, but I found a friend who can actually help me with that, so that's perfect. Hey Siri, call Jimbo Slice. Oh my God, this path is so beautiful. Holy. Top speed test, so we're on 45, 47, 48, 49, 50. Woo! Dude, riding is the best feeling ever, man. Look at this. Oh my god, so cool. As much as Vancouver has its insanely long list of flaws, the one thing I will always stand by is that Vancouver is a beautiful city. Like, where else are you gonna get just random, look at these trails, man. Like, it looks so good. You're never getting this type of architecture anywhere else. Well, you probably can, but like, probably not. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like beautiful mountains over there. To the right, you got the sea, and you got this winding path through the neighborhood. Like, oh my god, oh, I do not want to slip on these leaves. Holy crap, look at that. Strike. You know, like, I think I mentioned this before, but you know, any e-bike sponsor, literally anybody. I don't care if you got a conversion kit. I don't care if it's like 100 watt e-bike. I don't care if it's a fucking Stark Var, dude. Send it to me. I'll review it. I'll do an honest review. I'll ride it around. I'll put thought into the video. Blah blah blah. By that time, I'm probably gonna have a chin mount, so the footage will be even better. Guys, where are we going again? Climbing a tower?
Don't put that in the video.
I've always loved that bronze color, man. I might actually spray paint my bike that color. Yo, I need to spray paint this bike fast because it is getting like, I don't like the black at all. It's not a good glossy black. It's not even a matte. It's just like this ugly chipped black paint that looks completely god awful. So someone tell me what color I should paint this Ridstar. So slippery, so scary. Fat tires have no grip, you know? Like, I don't know why they insist on putting fat tires on these e-bikes, man. There's literally no point. They're just like slippery as hell. They're balloons. That's what they are. They're balloons. It's inflatable, rubbery balloons. Okay, this one goes back here. Oh my days. Holy crap. Yo, our wheels have no grip. Oh my god. Dude, my wheels have zero grip, man. Holy shit. This? Yo. Oh my god. I have a kickstand to me and my bike against.
Bro, this is a no parking.
Got the bikes locked up and look at that, dude. Oh my, the sheer size of this thing is insane. Look how high up that is. Oh my god. Oh crap. Oh. Oh. Dude, look at this, man. You have to tightrope across this.
Yo, come on.
All the way up that. Look at this ladder.
Wait, wait, I'm gonna try and climb up. Wait, don't film us. Don't film us.
Don't worry, he gave me consent. God damn. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Your friend might be like an acrobat. Jesus Christ, dude. Look at him. I don't know where he went. Where is he? Oh, it's over there. Oh my god. This guy, dude. That's complete fatal height. Holy shit. He's down, bro. Totally. Look at this guy. Alright, we kind of gave up. On the bridge. Oh my god, I can just drop this shit. Kind of gave up on the ladder, so back on the bridge now. Oh, this guy's just walking across the gate.
David, look, from here, right? You just get up the
Alrighty, we're off the bridge. I mean, what bridge? He didn't hear anything about a bridge. Back riding. The other guy, he had to go, he had class. Yo, it's the guy. Look, it's the same guy. Yo, where'd your friend go? That is absolutely insane. Like, holy crap.